before your presence we singing. Yeah. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You said I must love and feed my enemies, and I'm gonna do it. You said I shouldn't hate or grudge, and I won't, not even for a minute. Let only truth come from my lips. Bless our souls, cause without you we can't make it. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You're the wind beneath my wings, see me through all little things. You lifted me when I was down, now you have me standing on higher ground. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. How excellent is thy name, deliver us from sin and shame. Out of the mountain, babe, and suckle in you are ordained strength. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. Oh, no other help I know. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. Oh, no other help I know. You're the only way. God be deeper deep. With you I wanna stay. Please don't go away, Lord. Lord, watch over shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You said I must love and feed my enemies, and I'm gonna do it. You said I shouldn't hate or grudge, and I won't, not even for a minute. Let only truth come from my lips. Bless our souls, Lord, without you we can't make it. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You're the wind beneath my wings, see me through all little things. You lifted me when I was down, now you have me standing on higher ground. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. Oh, no other help I know. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. No other help I know. Watch over our shoulders, help us live our words. Ooh, alright. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. My Father, let's not retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender, oh Lord. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender, yeah. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender. Set my people free, you're in great danger. You show no mercy, and so you're gonna suffer. The troubles are great, but remember you're gonna pay. Can't you feel the Father's vengeance just ready to melt you like butter? Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender, oh Lord. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender. Retreat, wicked man of Boagan. Surrender, yeah. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender. Practicing evil for so long, God knows, thinking you've succeeded, but no, you're wrong. Your wicked devices gonna break your neck. The cry of my people's soul shall stop your breath. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. surrender. Oh Lord, retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender, yeah. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender. How long do you think the Father would sit and let you use His children to fulfill your desire? Now the time has come. We're gonna set your soul on fire, on fire. Oh well, oh Lord, retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender. Oh yes, retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender, yeah. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender.
Good God, good God, good God. Look what they doing to my soul. Oh God, oh God, oh God, God. Come along and take control. Good God, good God, good God. Look what they doing to your world. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. I'm not afraid of the Vatican. I'm not afraid of the hooligan. I'm not afraid of Popa. Neither am I afraid of Rome. See, though they seek for my soul, and I love time to take its toll. While the billows roll, yeah, I know Jah is in control. So, good God, good God, good God. Look what they're doing to my soul. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. Good God, good God, good God. Look what they're doing to your world. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. To the top way. Boy, boy, to the top way. Alright, yeah, yeah. Though they come in the multitude, trying to rob and abuse. Yes, we got her by my side. Yes, this battle I know I won't lose. This is where God delivered Daniel and the children of Israel, fighting against the Eden. I know we can do it again. So, good God, good God, good God. Look what they're doing to my soul. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. Good God, good God, good God. Look what they're doing to your world. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. To the top way. Whoa, whoa, Lord God. To the top way. Oh Lord, yeah, yeah. I'm not afraid.
Music is life. Whoa, music is love. As the beat goes on, my soul comes alive with each bang of the piano. Yes, yeah. As the beat goes on, the people arise and they call for Luciano. Luciano, yeah, Luciano. The messenger is back in your town, so string up your sound and come in your tens and thousands. Only conscious vibes around. When we touch down, it's just a good vibration. Moving and grooving. Moving, moving, grooving, moving. Dancing and singing. never gonna stop.
Just can't stop.
Some try to refuse it, but we ain't looking back. As the beat goes on, my soul comes alive with each bang of the piano. Oh, oh, oh. As the beat goes on, the people arise and they shout for Luciano. Oh, oh, chanting with good energy, filled with vibes and melody. What a wonderful way to be.
I plant a little tree in my front yard, precious little tree in my front yard. Oh, here's the rights for this tree. The seed of fall upon a wise man tomb. I take it and I sow it in a loom, praying to Jah it will germinate soon. Oh yeah, nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. In amatalis, agronamatalis. Nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. It made me feel so fine, yeah. Nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. In amatalis, agronamatalis. Nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. It made me feel so fine. They said it's good for the environment development. Bliss straight from the element. Empress in this world of the tree, yes. I said it puts you on the higher meditation. It's not the medicine where them use heal the nation. I said the kings of this world of the tree, yes. So free up the herbs, legalize the herbs. It's good for your nerves, yes. Come free up the herbs, legalize the herbs. It's good for your nerves, why? Oh, nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. In amatalis, agronamatalis. Nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. It made me feel so fine, why? Nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. In amatalis, agronamatalis. Nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. It made me feel so fine, yes. Yeah, we smoking high grade. Oh, yeah, high grade in our chalice. Yeah, yeah. Nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. In our chalice, agronamatalis. Nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. Made me feel so fine, boy. Nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. Agronamatalis. Nothing in this world like the agronamatalis. It made me feel so fine, yeah. I plant a little tree in my front yard. I press up little tree in my front yard. You can't stop me on the mission, me dey pan remember. The works must go on. No cure how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me bun the evil where them practice. The works must go on. No cure how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me bun the evil where them practice. You see the rain a fall, you see the sun a shine. Adjust your works, adjust your works. Yaga yo, speech to the dumb and give sight to the blind. Adjust your works, adjust your works. Remember that I uplift your standard, so you could have had it in your sandals. Bun hypocrite and bun scandal. Man have a clean at me, iritical, yo. The works must go on. Not care how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me bun the evil when them a practice. The works must go on. Not care how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me bun the evil when them a practice. Yo, them no have no love in a them. Bloodsucker vampire be a grudge in a them. Them don't love the youth, them no have no hug in a them. The words on me mouth we call them pussy in a them. The work me come be published, connected to the public. Me no come up in no lula lady, say I no lavish. Yes, it is my wish. Love me preach and practice. All across the world like this me brandish. Yaga yo. The works must go on. No care how them try stop this. The works must go on. Me bun the evil when them a practice. The works
yeah. Every minute, every hour, Cha-cha tell me, say, wicked man a get devoured, can't get away. Stand up and face your judgment day, but the righteous will be shining like a star above. Travel through the earth with the brotherly love. Can't stop Rasta with Zion love, and Selassie I shoulder sit the white dog. Traverse must go on. Now care how them try stop this. Traverse must go on. Me burn the evil when them a practice. Traverse must go on. Now care how them try stop this. Traverse must go on. Me burn the evil when them a practice. Holy Manuel I Selassie I Rastafari. Sit up in Mount Zion, I rule over you and I will give life to the bird, the bees and the tree and the man and the sea. Alright then, remember, in an Ethiopian crown, 1930, the kings of kings, Emperor Haile Selassie, the powers of the Trinity. Hey, yo, no man should disagree. Hey, yo, if this Selassie and the bone of that property. Remember, Traverse must go on. No care how them try stop this. Traverse must go on. Me burn the evil when them a practice. Traverse must go on. No care how them try stop this.
I said nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Come on. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Because all the time that we've been together, love is from the heart. We had done so much for each other. So why just now we wanna go? Hey, don't bother, I can't throw away my frost and blooming flower. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, black girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Not you, but I'm on over. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. You have me thinking about you. Love it when you smile. Just the love in your heart and your style. It made me feel like a newborn child. I'm always there for you. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Hey. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, black girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Damn! Money in my pocket and my girl coming over. Listen to the music, hey, the party ain't over. Just me and you, girl, you're my lover. And this is private, that's what I told you. All first fruit for the king like that. I love to see her dance when I sing like that. She give me love and take care of me and things like that. Whoa, so much blessings like that. Nothing in the world gonna change my love for you, girl. Nothing in the world gonna change my love for you. Nothing but I'm on number. Wow. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Oh baby, no. Nothing in this world can change my love for you. Oh, hey, because all the time that we've been together, love is from the heart, girl. We have done so much for each other. So why just now we wanna go? Oh, no, don't
Snitching on me now, snitching on me now. Picking up dirty attitudes. What's your future then? I'm not sure. Now you lurk on every corner, trying to make $1 from them quarters. Thought you were my friend, give an helping hand. Prove to be my enemy, I can't even trust anyone. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. Waste no time on you, not behaving yourself up in a crime on you. Now there's a fine in you. Now tell me what you gonna do. Willing to help and not to want you to see. don't know what you really need. Take it, remember life carries its own speed. I was there to motivate you. Seems you don't appreciate it. What is it that generate you to do the bad things that do I really hate it? I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. The world is getting dangerous. Sickness and disease are very contagious. All these bad things happening just ain't for us. God help us out, can you pray for us? I've got to protect my life. I've got to love myself. My heart cries within me. Love and respect, that's what you should be giving me. When you hate each other, you don't know what you're doing to me. If I allow this corruption, it's only ruining me. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I was there to motivate you. Seems you don't appreciate it. What is it that generates you to do the bad things that do I really hate it? I've got to take myself.
Mankind ain't no easy. Mankind is crazy. Oh Lord of mercy. Rinsing, shot in head. No need to ball, no need to beg. Gangsters no see even lead. Oh Lord, another skull bus. Mother receive another gunman dead. Family and friends once more fish and bread. Somebody call the earth, 'cause the body's getting stink. It needs to leave the turf. Make it quick because it's getting raw worse. Gangsta no fed, no powder, gunmen night and nurse. Them say them gun no giant lodge, nor it no giant church. Oh Lordy, another gunman gone in the cemetery tonight. Oh Lord, another gunman chase and them lose them life. Aye, gangsta no say no live now. Rude boys and no say no way. Rude boys are gonna lose them life. Come on. So now I realize it's just pure war and just pure crime. Mankind is crazy. Lord have mercy. Well then, man keep busting Glock and man keep busting them Take 9. Mankind ain't easy. Lord have mercy. Why? Well, as another skull bust, mother receive another gunman dead. Family and friends once more fish and bread. Somebody call the earth, 'cause the body's getting stink. It needs to leave the turf. Make it quick because it's getting rather worse. Youngster no fed, no powder, gun and night and nurse. Got them gun no giant lodge, nor it no giant church. Oh Lordy, another gunman gone in the cemetery tonight. Come on, another gunman just and them lose them life. Hey, mankind ain't no easy. Mankind is crazy. So thinking back in time when killing guys were on my mind, I realize, oh Lord, will that
dash ready, take 9 and take away the 45 and let love climb to the highest mount. Hey, another skull bus, mother receive another gunman dead. Family and friends want more fish and bread. Somebody call the earth, cause the body's getting stink. It needs to leave the turf. Make it quick because it's getting rather worse. Gunman no pet, no powder, gangsters night and nurse. Got them gun no giant like
see, man a bonfire pan a leaders. Nothing with 4-9, nothing with faders. Man a move like tailpipe and wavers. Don't get to work together. See it, man a bonfire pan a leaders. No mutton, no cow, no pig, no trotters. Man a move like tailpipe and wavers. Just be wise. Ice green and gold in a me pot. Hey, I strictly that. Deny a man a yacht. Get me fire stick and me stone. Cause the man a bone a fire pan a meat and a bone. Well, I bone all bone soca. We go against Toki and Dunga King Boga. We try your yard, you little fast food lover. Vegetable you fi have down in your party. I see my cause. Man a bone fire pan a leaders. Nothing with 4-9, nothing with faders. Man a move like tailpipe and wavers. So we don't get to know what together. Sing out, Rasta man a bonfire pan a leaders. No fish, no beef, no mutton, no trotters. Man a move like tailpipe and wavers. So we don't get to know what together. So as an answering, man I feel it clean. Don't want no beef, no mutton, no sardine. Give me I test you and me brody. Me island do and me split piece. And when I add up the street, there is nothing in a Babylon for right. Cause I know eat up them eat, and I know sip up them sip cause I burn them meat. Man about fire pan a deaders. Nothing with 4-9, nothing with faders. Man I move like tailpipe and wavers. So we don't get to know what together. Oh Lord, man about fire pan a deaders. No flesh, no beef, no 4-9, no faders. Man I move like tailpipe and wavers. So we don't get to know what together. Whoa, well, Lord boy, well, whoa, Lord, I tell you this, you don't know where I eat it, no cry, no, oh Lord, hey, got to be a winner for that, ain't no food to be a loser. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no food to be a loser. I gave all my heart and soul, yes. You got it fully on the way, is control. Say the half of the story has never been told. Fulfillment of prophecy just got to unfold. I'll never betray my master for silver nor gold, no. I say I wanna live forever. I don't wanna lose my soul. Don't wanna lose my soul. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no food to be a loser. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no food to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Whoa, 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 Lord. Yeah, oh well. Hey, as I journey down life road, yes, I call on Jah to with me carry my heavy load to where sweet waters flow, yes, because the road is a rough and winding road. I don't care what they say, and I don't care what they do. Would I do that I'm treading through? Jah, I found a friend in you, yes. Ooh, hey, wait. Ooh, hey, oh, Lord. Got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no mood to be a loser. Got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no mood to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Got to be a winner, a winner,
winner. Oh Lord, well, oh well, oh joy, oh yes, hey. So Jah content with those who content with me, and he fight against those who fight against me. Jah take up shield and bucklers and run to my aid. Woy, woy, he brand his spear and javelin against all who persecute me, and say to my soul, you my salvation. Ooh, we Jah, say to my soul, you my salvation. That's why I've got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no to be a loser. Got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no to be a loser. I've got to be a winner.
Jah Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. Jah Rastafari on a Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too, yeah. Haile Selassie on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. Haile Selassie on a Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too, yeah. Cause I said I know that Jah is real. Because this is something that I know, not just what I feel. I know that Jah is real. Boy. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. No. Some dep on the television and I try to denounce the man. Feel them, I feel, cause them don't know about the man. Some dep on the radio and I chat with them, no know. A rumor them a spread, me know say nothing no go. So me said I know that Jah, he is real. Now the people, it's something that I know, not just what I feel. So Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. Jah Rastafari on a Thursday, a Friday, even Saturday too, boy. Haile Selassie on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, deal. Haile Selassie on a Thursday, a Friday, even Saturday will do, deal. Hey. Run them around off the mouth, but we don't care a damn. Because a gear Rasta man gear up, we go fight the Gideon. Because the battle might be hot, but the victory will be sweet. And oh, what a joy to see them trampling on their feet. The battle might be hot, but the victory will be sweet. Oh, what a joy to see them trampling on their feet. Because I know that Jah, he is real. Boy, yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Oh, I said I know that Jah, he is real. Oh, boy. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Not all, boy. Some dep on the television and I try to denounce the man. Blasphemers, watch yourself, you lose your foot and lose your hand. Some dep on the radio and I chat with them, don't know. A rumor them must split, me know say nothing no go so. Because I know that Jah, he is real, real. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I can feel.
You wanna sweat up on the politics, church and commercial. Yo, let the righteous man Holy I Selassie. The man else can't come in here and tribe of Judah now. As we bring down all evil conception and all false and fake government in this Iowa. You wanna sweat up on the politics, church and commercial. Yo, let the righteous man be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless your little and the much where you have. Yo, it is a help struggle get to you to new featured. Life you want your efforts, how could you go to no bed? Let the righteous woman be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the youth them with the little way them have. Yo, it struggle get to you to new featured. Life reward your efforts. Yo, hey, me say burn them to us go there. Babylon a blaze. No for them a clip up, no for them a serve. Living a corruption to them fame and praise. No for them pollute and a pollution them a trade. Living the life of freedom just going only to them drive. Them can't take me heavens, can't study me wise. Live the youth to the levels, Babylon
you too cried. Yo, golden love Rasta man rhyme. Emperor Selassie with a price. Yeah, let the righteous man be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the youth them with the little where them have. Yo, earth struggle black woman no fit trod. Life reward your efforts have you now. Yo, let the righteous woman be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the little and the much who know have. Yo, earth struggle get a youth no fit trod. Yo, never do no bad. Yo, me said the wicked man can never take the righteous man place. Bring down iniquity, them ourselves through face. Now go see the bingy man and you from them plight. You love the conquering lion, no mistake. Rise up my people, you've been crowned with laurels. Babylon and evil Rasta see them a corral. Yo, them a fall and a quarrel. Can't get them you to big on your man down a hell. Just stop show be peace me say and stop lick them bell. Don't put no extra Rasta man now compel. No little get to you figure mix up and got well. Monks both John Paul are evil. Well, let the righteous man be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the little and the much sweat you have. Yo, earth struggle get to you to no fit tread. Yo, life reward you have fought. Yeah, let the righteous woman be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the youth some and the little where you have. Yo, earth struggle get to you to no fit tread. Now, bigger judgment again. Rasta see them with them election. Who are them elect? Are them selection fi push up fi sun finger. Tell the youth lift up them hand to Ethiopia. Crocodile government you get the power. Tell them say the fruit of knowledge must be used for the goodness of humanity. Rastafari believe for college. African inspiration is for humanity. Well, let the righteous man be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the youth so me the little where them have. Yo, it's struggle get to you to no fit trad. And life reward you efforts. How could you go do no bad? Let the righteous get your youth be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the youth so me the little where them have.
Ready, dread, me ready again for them for beat back biters chant on Eden dread. Ready, me ready again for them for beat back biters chant on Eden. Well, I don't wanna be like them backbiters, Lord, who always fight against their friends, Lord, and I don't wanna be like them heathen who always try to mislead Jaja children. Oh, no, Jaja the Paja. Oh, no, Lordy. How can some people say that God don't exist, Lord? What kind of hypocritical mockery is this? Tell me now, people, when they're the same one who sold us the Bible, Jaman, then why are they so contrary? I don't know. Rasta no, we no. I don't know. Rasta no. So ready, dread, me ready again for them to beat back by the chant down Eden dread. Ready, me ready again for them to whip them back by the chant down the Eden. How can some people say they don't love Israel? Are they imposters or Jezebel? Tell me now, people, out of their same mouth these words were spoken, that Selassie is the king of Israel. Rasta I don't know. Make them a one, so I don't know. Down in the party, so ready, me ready again for them to beat back by the chant down Eden dread. Ready, me ready again for them to beat back by the chant down Eden. Oh yeah. Because I'm ready, boy. Me ready again, dread. Yes, I'm ready, Lord. Me ready for them, dread. Oh no. Well, I don't wanna be like them backbiters, Lordy, who always fight against their friends, Lordy, and I don't wanna be like them either. Who always
the people imagine a vain thing. shall have, the Lord shall have them in the vision. Then shall he speak unto them in his sore displeasure. Yeah, or it's just a cosmic force, telepathic communication, cosmic force. Yeah, it's just a cosmic force. Hey, say it's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Whoa, see your brother when he's down, he's always wearing a frown. Yeah, try and do the best you can, for he's your brother, man. No one is perfect, and he who is perfect, let him cast the first stone. And everyone in life has phases we all go through. It's just a cosmic, yeah, cosmic, yeah, telepathic communication, cosmic force. Yes, it's just a cosmic force. Hey, it's just a cosmic, yeah, cosmic force. Whoa, yeah. Lord of mercy now. Well, alright. Oh, well. Blessed is the overcomer, and overcometh all things. For no one knows what a day may bring. See your brother when he's down, so he's always wearing a frown. Try and do the best you can, but he's your brother, man. No one is perfect, and he who is perfect, let him cast the first stone. Yes, everyone in life has phases we all go through, or it's just a cosmic force. Yeah, it's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Whoa, it's just a cosmic, yeah, cosmic force. It's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Yeah, cosmic force. Yeah, and I dig my soul. Too much wagonist, too much antagonist. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yes. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yeah. Too much informers, too much steel bearers. Too much informers, too much steel bearers. Time to separate the sheep from the wolves. We're at the crossroads, and this is the time of decision. Too much informers, too much steel bearers. Too much informers, too much steel bearers. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Too much watch and peep. It's time the wolves them leave the sheep. Too much watch and peep. It's time the wolves them leave the sheep. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Whoa, yeah. Too much informers, Too much till they rise. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yeah. Too much watch and peep. It's time the wolves them leave the sheep. Too much watch and peep. It's time the wolves them leave. No, you always had nothing to give. No, that's not the way one should live. You're living in your selfish world. And no matter if you're a boy or girl, no, cold-hearted fools. Well, can you tell me what you've been fighting for? Is it material things or a necessary tribal war? Yeah. It's time for all these things be put to an end, and make one and all be friends. Oh yeah. Whoa. Cold-hearted fool. Oh no. Yeah. The sun will shine for you today. So it's best for you to pick up your Bible and pray. Yeah. Cold-hearted fools. Oh yes. Forget about them tools. Oh Lord. Cold-hearted fools. Greedy dog showeth his own reflection in the water, and thought he could have that bone too. Now that very same day he lost his bone into the water. Water was so deep the bone he could not recover. No, that's what greed will do.
If you hold on to a secret, I would like to know. You make me a promise that this love will grow. They say that a promise is a comfort to a fool. Yet you come and disobey all my rules. Only a fool will be foolish enough to make it up. After all the things you've done, might as well we break it up. You said it would be forever. I told you that it can never. Your apologies are no more accepted. No, I don't see the reason for us to sit down and talk it over. I can't take another day living in this way. You are a material girl, living in a material world. You are a material girl, living in a material world. I'm not a lonely man, living all alone. You're not welcome anymore in my home. Need not cry anymore. You should think about your action before you try to treat me like a puppet on a string. But I'm so strong I will never give in. Oh no, material girl, I don't want to live into your world. Material girl, living in a material world. You are a material girl, living in a material world. on to a secret. I would like to know. You make me a promise that this love will grow. They say that a promise is a comfort to a fool. I would not allow you to come and disobey my rule. Only a fool would be foolish enough to make it up. After all the things you've done, might as well we break it up. Only a fool would be foolish enough to make it up. After all the things you've done, might as well we break it up. You are a material girl, living in a material world. You are a material girl, living in a material world. You are a material girl.
What's the difference between the wise and the fool? When the wise live and dies, likewise the fool. What can I tell you? Don't you know this is true? A man is just a man. 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 We're here for the same reason, helping to fulfill God's plan. In order to pass the test, we've got to do our best. A man is just a man. 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 The most that deserve mankind, 'cause you don't know the time. In the twinkling of an eye, you just might fall and die. A man is just a man. 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 We're here for the same reason. Nothing to fulfill this plan. Belly full but they're starving. Have a lot and still wanting. Jah, without you we're empty. Fill us up with your mercy. The belly full but they're starving. Have a lot and still wanting. Jah, without you we're empty. Fill us up with your mercy. Man shall not live by bread alone, and I know, but by the words that proceeded from Jah Jah. Man shall not live by bread alone, and I know, but by the words that proceeded from Jah Jah. The belly full but they're starving. Have a lot and still wanting. Jah, without you we're empty. Fill us up with your mercy. Never leave us all alone. Can't you see the way is dark and we can make it on our own? I'm kind of happy but I'm mourning. They're looking on but not seeing. They're born with sight and lacking vision. Thank you, Jah, 'cause you've revealed the belly full but they're starving, have a lot and still wanting. Jah, without you we're empty. Fill us up with your mercy. Belly full but they're starving, have a lot and still wanting. Jah, without you we're empty. Fill us up with your mercy, please. Yeah. Yeah. Listen.
I took a little trip trying to find myself, journeying within my soul. It took a little time then to realize that something wasn't right. Something wasn't right. Yeah. For many years I've been without. Gets out sometimes and all my doubt. Yeah. There was no one for me. No one got the holding company. And I know that as long as he is my friend, my soul will be secured until the end. Yes, I know that as long as he is my guide, under his wings of love I will abide. My life was filled with thistles and thorns from the day that I was born. With only my faith to carry on through the wind and storm. He said, if you want to follow me, first you must forget thyself. Take up the cross and come. Let's journey into the beyond. And I know that as long as he is my friend, my soul will be secured until the end. Yes, I know that as long as he is my guide, under his wings of love I will abide. Oh, I took a little trip trying to find myself, journeying within my soul. It took a little time then to realize something wasn't right. Something wasn't right. But now I know that he is my friend and will be my friend until the very end. Oh yes, I know that as long as he is my guide, under the wings of
My praise is Rastafari stands alone. Ethiopia, it's my birthplace. Marcus Garvey, just take us home. To him I'll give my praises. King Kadama, we stand alone. Ethiopia, it's my birthplace. My birthplace. Repatriation to Africa. Oh. Earth of civilization, bless up my Africa. Oh. Me can't take the Western tribulation. Go back up Africa. Oh. Earth of civilization.
Africa, yet them no serious. Oh, you know want to sit the land of King Negus. Oh, you feel stray from His Majesty teaching. Black and beautiful, bingy bun bleaching. Oh, you feel said that you are us and you no conscious. The freaky life get you real anxious. Hey, see you focus and you got to hold your ground. Repatriation is a must. You know me Africa born, men I go try it alone. I fi try it with me people, them men I go grab it alone. Hey, a Rasta man I set the trend. Don't I keep turn a ball fi way. Nairobi, Kenya, a girl fi way. Don't I Gambia, them ball fi way. Rasta man I try it, don't I Shasha man. Straight in Africa. Birth of civilization, Mama Africa. Can't take the worst turn tribulation, Mother Africa. Birth of civilization, it's my birthplace. It's my birthplace. The time is near, so it's time for us to go. Don't you act like the Romans, true we linger down ya in a row. Ethiopia awaits, do good deeds and you see it jagged, yeah. Mother Africa awaits, so let us trot along without grudge nor hate. To him I'll give my praises, Rastafari stands alone. Ethiopia, that's my birthplace, Marcus Garvey take us home. To him I'll give my praises, Rastafari stands alone. Mother Africa, that a me birthplace, so I want to go back home to Mother Africa, land of civilization. Mother Africa, can't take no more a Western tribulation. Mama Africa. Working out alongside the armed soldiers. Cause man I come from the bully and the trench. Man I come from the slum. When the game I play we get benched. Hardcore clench. Man I come from suffering. When the thirst never quench. But I get my strength. And so I emerge from the slum without the scratches are done. Real government, yeah. When the food I cannot smell the scent. Boom, boom, whoa. Tell the backstabbers I'm not weak. I don't believe in turning the next cheek. Tell the bad wishers watch what you speak. When the bad seed you sow, you shall reap. You better consider before you make a leap. Cause if you can't swim, you want to drown out of deep. Tell the vampires my life no come cheap. Cheap, yeah. My back wasn't being bent. That simply mean me never bow down below. Me never wet, me never cut me eyes. Always throw my locks even without my parents' consent. Jack is the evidence. And to know giant all down. To meet my shield and defense. I treat a rasta man without false pretense. Boom. Tell the backstabbers I'm not weak. I don't believe in turning the next cheek. Tell the bad wishers watch what you speak. Any bad seed you sow, you shall reap. You better consider before you make a leap. Cause if you can't swim, you want to drown out of deep. Tell the vampires my life no come cheap. Cheap, yeah. Arise and take a stand. I try to survive and staying alive, yeah. Tell the backstabbers I'm not weak. I don't believe in turning the next cheek. Tell the bad wishers watch what you speak. If you can't swim, you want to drown out of deep. You better consider before you make a leap, yeah. Tell the vampires my life no come cheap. My life no come cheap. Man I come from the gully and the trench. Man I
Watch your words, they might become actions. Watch your actions, they might become habits. Whoa, hey. Whoa, balance. A turbulence. Hey, I tried sitting there by the riverbed. A lot of things rush into my head. One of them is how I'm fortunate to be surviving in a time we're so desolate. Sitting there by the riverbanks, giving praises and giving thanks. Me satisfied with the water in my tank. Me not for rob no bunk or make no man life bank. What happened to the one them when I have a dime? And them figure that the alternative is in the nine. So they go around committing so much hideous crime, doing things like they are harder than mine. To get a life is like a maze with no way out. No garments, no shelter, no food for the mouth. Shattered hopes and dreams, east to the south. When me check it out, when me look up your doubt, yeah. Sitting there by the riverbed, a lot of things rush into my head. Thinking now I am fortunate to be surviving in a time we're so desolate. Sitting there by the riverbanks, giving prizes and giving thanks. Is full with the water in my tongue, man, off for rob no bank. Whoa, yeah. Them a right on them high ass. I go like them a the boss, but them a jackass. The bug of them got this the poorer class, yeah. A bunch of fools, the whole of them last. A bunch of wanna be the stick of the mask. Hey, so many children have been led astray. So many work and no families they pay. Don't go tell the vampire them can't come here no more pray. This jockey them ya tune ya fi play. Sitting there by the riverbed, a lot of things rushing through my head. One of them is how I'm fortunate to be surviving in a time we're so desolate. Sitting there by the riverbanks, giving praises and giving thanks. Talk is full with the water in my tank, man, now for rob the bank. Whoa, I must say, since I'm a Rasta man, everything has been so good. Hey, okay. My love the black woman, so me now stop on outside of my
mental disturbance, manipulation got them stressed. And I see this day to day, people get caught up more than less. Oh Lord, trying to live up to the expectation of society. They lost them souls to vanity. No, not I could never caught up in their silly dreams or their follies and fames. 'Cause I know that fire is not for sale. Lord, I'd rather be out in the gold than to sell a soul for a world of gold. 'Cause I never learned that from the king. I want you, put if a fever your bone, no, me say yes man. If I your arm brimstone, me say yes man. A lightning ball in the city of Vatican. If a fever your bone, no, me say yes man. If I your arm brimstone, me say yes man. 'Cause I'll never sell my soul for vanity. Well, yeah, this your freedom fire never stop burn. And you can't buy me out. And you can't buy me out. With you Benz and you Beamer and you bling bling me. I'll say that you move it and you innocent me. 'Cause you can't buy me out. And you can't buy me out. With fire burn, you me say yes man. With fire and brimstone, me say yes man. A lightning ball in the city of Old York. If a fire burn, you me say yes man. With fire and brimstone, me say yes man. I'll never sell my soul for vanity. Boy, manipulation, mental disturbance got them stressed. And I see this day to day, mankind get caught up in this mess. Trying to live up to the expectation of society, but then lose them souls to vanity. Well, I could never caught up in their silly dreams or their valleys and veins, 'cause I know Tafari is not for sale. I'd rather be out in the cold than to sell a soul for a world of gold, 'cause I never learned that from the king. What I learned is if I feel fire burn room, me say yes man. With fire and brimstone, me say yes man. Lightning ball in the city of Vatican. Is if I feel fire burn room, me say yes man. With fire and brimstone, me say yes man. I'll never sell my soul for vanity. Set yourself right up, get to you. We know out of jailhouse. Flattering leaks and allegation have been spreading across the nation about my problems that are before. Oh Lord, and my enemies are rejoicing. Fans and friends are wondering what's happening to a man of truth and rights. I see my life going down to the captive of hell, so my soul would have to rebel just to set the flesh of men free. Oh Lord, within the queen my life was taken away. 11 days in a captivity. I've got to make the best of my reaction and tell the youth, jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you. Oh, be jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you. Oh, be after days of experience down in a jailhouse. The situation makes my heart wanna cry out. Too much teenage related got shooting in a jailhouse. And you would wonder where they get money to buy the guns to leak each other breeds out. But I don't wanna see the youths at penitentiary. Don't wanna see the youths at Tambrin Farm. I don't wanna see the youths down at Central alone in a remand. I would rather see the youths that do some muscling, plant some food and make it big, you juggling. That is only one way to keep yourself out of trouble. And tell the youth, jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you or me. Jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you or me. No way. Pleading to the youths, stay far from jailhouse. It's no good. I've seen gunmen and murderers. I've seen robbers and thieves. And I've seen child molesters down in a jailhouse. And I've seen lawyers and doctors. I've seen even police officers. Innocent faces, they're all down there in a jailhouse. Tell the youth then, stay away. It's not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse, not the place for you.
Listen to what I got to say. Praise the king every day. Come let we go mash them down and loose. All them a rinse and a frowns. Them blacks will have to move. Come we go mash them down, can't lose. Deal with them rust because of who them come approve me. I mash them down and loose. All them a rinse and a frowns. Them blacks will have to move. Come we go mash them down and loose. Can't you come and mash them down and loose. Listen up.
Let the children I say to honor your mother and your father. Tell you again, I say to love you one another. Praise Selassie I crown in Addis Ababa, 2nd of November 1930. Java. Hey, from the wicked, me dash the atta lava. Big up the ghetto girl, a Kingston and Balaclava. Mama used to give me dumpling, make out a cassava. Yo, you got the riches, you must share what you have. Farmer plant the food and stop the people them from starving. Yo, Johnny does with his rod and with his staff. All paid and me know them must get cut off. Babylon them red get shut off. Come what we go mash them down, now lose. All them are rich and a brown, stumbling black, we'll have to move. Come we go mash them down, now lose. Find out, say approve, them approve. Wicked people, we are go mash them down, now lose. Conquering lion, obstacles them come and move. Come we go mash them down, now lose. Babylon we mash them down. Burn them plan and them plot and them strategies. Burn them up, them computers and them cartridges. Lion in the jungle, I'm gonna bust them categories. This one I say are them end up in a worries. Mash them down, now lose. Deal with them rust because of who them come approve. Come let me go mash them down, now lose. Babylon I mash them down. Oh, speak the truth and know your roots, that's reality. Yo, just listen to my tune, it's full of quality. Children, Emperor Selassie is the Almighty. More morality, no more, no more. Where black people them stifle. When I'm a shot the people, them a kill them with poison. Can't tell me none, me say the conquering lion in the Bible. Babylon we come to mash them down, now lose. All them are rich and the brown, stumbling blacks will have to move. Come we come mash them down, now lose. Deal with them rats because the proof them come approve. Come make we come mash them down, now lose. All them are rich and the brown, stumbling blacks will have to move. Come we come mash them down, now lose. Babylon we mash them down. Can't this the Rastaman because him hold his foundation rigid. Love and righteousness is it we use govern the village. All them are one like them bad and them wicked. King Selassie govern the earth, so don't be stupid. Come we mash them down, now lose. All them are rings and a brown righteousness we choose. Come we go mash them down, we can't lose. Prove them approve, get a youth one clothes and shoes and food. Mash them Rastafari.
There's no hope, there's no solution, no way out of this revolution. When them drink wine, shake and consider my friend, then them turn round back and fight again. Every man a look stripe, every man want control the bargaining rights. When everything is out of sight, poor people pay the consequences overnight. But beat them, Jaja. Show them, Jaja, that we must unite. Nuclear waste, atomic pollution, everything destructive to this generation. That is all them a promote, but soon I know that Jaja gonna take them to court. And if they're tried and find guilty, and then it will be treason, fail and me. There is no hope, no solution, no way out of this revolution. When them drink wine, shake and consider my friend, then them turn round back and fight again. Rasta say, Africans unite, cause everything is gonna be alright. What the people say, Africans unite, and there'll be no need for us to fuss and fight. Rasta man say, Africans unite, Africans are yard and Africans abroad. Boy, oh boy, Africans unite, Africans unite. Africans are yard, Africans abroad. Unite, unite for the betterment of thy people. Unite and live as one. Africans near, Africans far, no matter where you are. Throw down your weapons of war. Identify who you are. There's no hope, there's no solution, no way out of this revolution. When them drink wine, shake hands and say, my friend,
them turn round back and fight again. All because every man a look stripe, every man want control the bargaining rights. Then when everything is out of sight, poor people pay the consequences overnight. Well, I and I are sons of Jah Most High. I and I just not tell no lie. They want us to lie, they want us to cheat. Even the poor people, them want I to deceive. But tell them to mass, go on them seat. I say earth to run red, fire burn out the street. There is no hope, no solution, no way out of this revolution. When them drink wine, shake and come to them a friend, then them turn round back and fight again. All because every man
What do you say?
every man walk and hold up.
What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family. Yeah. What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family. Yeah. How could you not love the man who created you? Heaven and earth and all that dwell therein, and that is bigger than sin. What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family. Yeah. What did you say? You don't honor the king. But blessed be the king who cometh in the name of the Lord. Sorry you can't cross him because he's wider than broad. You can't get over him cause he's the highest. You can't get under him, he's deeper than the deepest sea. Jah is without ending. What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family. Yeah. What did you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family. Light up the world is he, King of Zion, power of the Holy Trinity, and he shall hold the heads of his enemies. As was melted before the fire, so shall they perish at the presence of Jah. What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family. Yeah. What did you say? You don't honor the king. Blessed be the king who cometh in the name of the Lord. Sorry you can't cross him because he's wider than broad. You can't get over him cause he's the highest. You can't get under him, he's deeper than the deepest sea. Jah is without ending. What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family. Yeah. What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family.